Welcome back to Repairs to Go. Today, we are working on the powerful but aging iPad Pro 12.9-inch first generation. If your device no longer holds a charge or randomly shuts off, a battery replacement might just bring it back to life. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete battery replacement process, step by step, so you can extend the life of your iPad without spending a fortune. You can start by applying controlled heat around the edges of the screen using a heat gun or hairdryer set to medium. This softens the adhesive securing the display, allowing us to gently lift it without cracking the glass. Carefully insert a thin plastic pry tool into the gap and slowly work around the perimeter. It's very important to avoid inserting the tool too deep to prevent damaging the LCD, digitizer flex cables, or the internal logic board. Be extra cautious along the right side where the flex cables are located. Never poke, twist, or force the tool inside. The process takes patience, especially since the iPad uses strong waterproof adhesive. As you make progress along the edges, periodically reheat stubborn sections and use multiple plastic picks to keep the screen slightly lifted. With careful and steady prying, the screen will eventually release from the frame without any damage. There's a small cracked line in the upper left corner of this iPad, so I tried to avoid adding more stress and do not prying directly to prevent the crack from spreading. Instead, I applied a bit more heat and work around the area from safer angles. Slightly pull the whole screen to the right from the bottom edge and let it sit in a 60 degrees angle while unscrewing 3 screws holding the flex connector. With the screen safely lifted and disconnected, we now turn our attention to the battery removal process. With the screen safely detached and set aside, the next step is to remove the internal metal shield that protects the motherboard and connector area. Using a precision Phillips screwdriver, we carefully unscrew all the screws securing the large metal EMI shield over the logic board. Keep track of the screws as they vary in size and position. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the shield using a plastic spudger or tweezers. Be cautious not to bend or damage it, as it needs to be reinstalled later for protection and grounding. Locate and unscrew the battery connector, then gently disconnect the battery from the logic board to prevent any power flow during the repair. At this point, the battery is visible, but in the iPad Pro 12.9-inch first gen, the battery runs underneath the logic board, so we need to loosen the motherboard to access and remove it properly. We begin by identifying and removing the screws that hold the motherboard in place. Carefully disconnect any flex cables, cameras, and antenna lines that may restrict lifting. Once everything is detached, we gently lift the motherboard just enough to access the battery cell underneath, not completely removing it, but giving enough clearance to safely remove the battery. To safely loosen the battery, apply Isopropyl Alcohol or consistent heat to the back side of the chassis where the battery is seated. Begin prying from the sides of the battery using a plastic pry stick or spudger, taking care not to puncture or deform the battery cells. If any adhesive proves stubborn, you can reheat the back slightly or apply more isopropyl and continue lifting slowly. Some models may have stretch release tabs underneath. If available, you can gently pull them to help free the battery. Pro 12.9's battery is large and heavily secured with strong adhesive underneath, so removing it requires patience and care. Once the entire battery is freed, you can clean the adhesive residue and prepare the housing for the new replacement battery. The new battery is placed in the same position under the lifted logic board. Gently press it into place, reconnect the battery to the board, then carefully lower the logic board back down, ensuring all connectors and mounting points align properly. You can reconnect any flex cables or antenna lines previously removed, reinstall both metal shields, and secure all screws. At this stage, we reconnect the display cables, power on the device, and verify that the iPad is functioning correctly before resealing the screen.
Now it's time to test. Power on the iPad and confirm that it boots up properly, the touchscreen works, and the battery is charging as expected. And that's a full battery replacement for the iPad Pro 12.9 first generation. If you found this repair guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Repairs to Go for more DIY tech repair videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Shout out to Board Vlogger and to Warpboard TV.